know what the term bid and ask price mean, or high and low, or dividend and dividend yield? Well, if not, this is the very video for you. Welcome back. If you haven't checked out my previous video, which was actually a basis of actually moving on to this video and forms the basis of what we are going to study into the markets ahead. And we have lots of things to study. You and I will actually build a portfolio together. We'll invest some money into it and study the balance sheets, the profits and loss, and it'll be an interesting journey. I promise you, we have lots to learn and lots to do together. And so do stay with me till the very end. But before, and let your excitement stay with you, and this video will be a basis or a formation so that my further comprehension or further vocabulary between the two of us will become much easier. Well, without further ado, let me just go straight into it. And before that, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get instant notifications on what are the upcoming videos which I have to showcase to you guys. Yes, let's move forward with this enthusiasm. Right. So what is today's agenda? I have planned for you guys. So over here, mostly I will be discussing about key terms, which includes a lots. I have listed a few which will actually come the primary focus of our comprehension of vocabulary. These are the terms which I might use in the further videos, so it's very important you guys know about it. That's why I have given prime importance in this video to these keywords. Well, let's move forward with the first word listed here. Market cap. I think I had mentioned about market cap in my previous video as well. If you haven't checked it out, do check it out and let me know what you understood by this. But I will give a quick revision of what exactly it means. Market capitalization is basically the share price of the company, that is the current share price, into the outstanding prices. That is the outstanding shares which are given to the public. So it's basically the valuation of the company as such. And with that, you can actually determine a large cap company, a small cap and a mid cap. To know more about these three terms, do check out my video which is listed below. Right, let's move forward and go to a very interesting term which I will often be using in my further videos. Bear and bull markets. And let's get straight into the markets. Well, what is meant by these two terms? Well, as you can comprehend and as the name suggests, a bull market is basically when the prices of the shares go up. And as you can see in the figure for easier comprehension, the one marked with the blue arrow is the bull market and the one going down is the bear market. So when the prices fall, it's the bear market in other words. I hope it's clear till now. Let's move forward. Great. So what is the dividend and why do shareholders actually have an interest in investing in the company? Well, obviously one of the return is to get a higher return, that is return on investment. But another focus which could be by the shareholders is basically because they are getting dividends. Yes, dividend is basically a reward or a cash that the company actually gives to our shareholders. And it's not really compulsory on the part of the company to do so, but it actually gives an incentive for many other investors to come and invest into the company, right? And it's declared by the board of directors. And it is a very interesting concept to learn about its calculations, about how and when it's given, and many other things. So this is a different topic altogether. So if you want to really learn more about this, do ping me and do write in the comment section and I will be making more videos on this. Let's move into the markets and see how to analyze charts at a very basic level. So without further delaying, let's go straight into it. I mentioned about bear and bull markets. And how do I actually name the price? Right. This is something very important concept. High and low. Well, basically high is the highest price in a given period and low is the lowest price in the given period. As simple as it sounds. But why is this so important? Why is this something which I have been giving a focus to? Well, it helps in analyzing what exactly it helps in analyzing like what to which company to invest in. Now, as you can see in the chart in front of you, there's this high price which is given as 1043 and a low as 1012.15. Well, this helps to actually see that what is the highest price which the HDFC Bank's share price was either in 52 weeks or in 52-week low, 52-week high. And this helps to understand whether we are investing at a high price or a low price, and we can actually make a financial plan properly as to when and how to invest. This has a very important concept inbuilt here. So I will also be making videos on this. If you want me to, please do write in the comment section and I will be very happy to make videos because it's a separate session. These terms are separate session altogether. So separate video which needs to be made. So please do tell me what do you want to watch ahead. Well, let's move forward. And over here, I will be telling about close and open. As I mentioned about high and low, close and open is basically the closing price of the share and the opening price of the share at the end of the trading session. Now, let me tell you, the trading session in India starts from 9:15 a.m. and goes on till 15:30. That is 3:30 p.m. Right, as you can see on your screen ahead, I have taken the same example of HDFC Bank Limited, and the closing and opening price is basically the price at which it starts and the price at which it ends. Now, the opening price, as you can see, is 1017.95, and the opening price is that, and the closing price is 1032.95. So probably the next day it might open with the same price. As you can see in front of you, the previous close was 1019.95. So basically it was bit higher than the opening price of today. And you can make an analysis of whether the whether we have invested at a lower price or at a higher price. Investing at a lower price and selling at a higher price is the very fundamental of to invest in the stock market. So that's why the opening and closing price plays a major role, because it helps to determine at what price the next day will the market start at, or the markets will end at the current day. So it can help us to make analysis of the future, whether we need to invest or not, and whether we should invest at the current price or should we invest in the future prices, and many such analysis. And as I mentioned, I can explain more on my upcoming videos on this. That's it for the first part of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and the next video I will be telling more about the terms which I had listed in my agenda. So stay tuned, and bye for this is the first part, so watch out for the second part, and bye for now, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Do like, share, comment and subscribe.